Alright, let's talk about today. Well, today was an interesting day. Because I was working on my loan alone, which was fine. I don't really have a problem with it. And to be fair, today went pretty good. Pretty cruisy. I can't really say that I had any problems with today. It was also no students were around today. It was sort of a, it was like a get to know your school day. Like new kids can come and inspect the school and stuff. But yeah, I just did blower jobs and rubbish jobs and a few odds and ends around here and there, like moving pot plants and shit. It was a good day. It really was. School was, that's really it. I mean, it was fine, but it was good. It was good, but it was fine. Chatted to a few people, etc., etc. After work, I went to go to MX store to see if I could buy an adapter plate for my saddle bag, or tank bag, sorry. I'd had no luck. But on the way there, it led me on some weird road, which then led me to the right road. I think that was the intention. But it was like the train depot. So I recorded a footage and showed my train friend. And I don't know, he hasn't watched it yet. He just spoke to me, he said he will watch it soon. But that was interesting. Home was nice. I spent about an hour or an hour and a half playing World of Tanks with Australia. That was cool. Who did I mostly talk to today? Honestly, my R1 friend, I reckon I talked to him for quite a bit today, which was really nice. At the end of the night, I washed my tank bag, so it's still a little bit wet, so I have to pack it tomorrow. But I've attempted to pack my stuff, but not in the bag, just put it neatly on a table. I think I've bought everything. I mean, at the moment, I've really only packed clothes. I'll be using my work boots when I walk around the Gambia, unless I can pack my nice shoes in there. I don't think I can. I'm only bringing my tank bag with me. But phone charger, clothes, shoes that I have on for work. No full suit. I will be wearing my dragging jeans, which are very good for motorbike riding. I've got my clear visor on my helmet. I'm charging my helmet. I should probably charge my power bank, but I think it'll be alright. I've sticky taped my SD card to the back of my phone because it will record and use up all my bloody battery on my helmet, which I'm trying to make last for the 4 or 5 hour ride. I think I've got everything. I think I'm ready. I don't know. I think I'm ready. But yeah, getting I have to after work I'll knock off and go straight to Mount Gambier, which will be nice. So yeah, I won't bring any Xbox stuff. If we want to play Xbox, we'll just download the game or whatever. Wallet. I guess I can bring deodorant if I can fit it in. I'll bring my cologne, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, peace.